I hope you are fine and doing well. Respected fellows, my special speech name is Eid Milad Nabi. Okay, let's start. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah. He is born on 12 Rabiul Awwal in the city of Makkah. Rabiul Awwal is the birth month of our holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Eid Milad Nabi is one the special festival of Muslim. It is called day for Muslim. It is celebrated every year with a great respect and honor. It is celebrated as national holidays in country. The streets and the bazaar are decorated on this day. Masjids and national buildings are also decorated on this beautiful day. Seekho Nabi is discussed in masjids on this day. Eid Milad Nabi is the special day in Islamic history. We should celebrate Eid Milad Nabi to get blessing of Allah Almighty. Okay guys, اگر آپ کو ہماری آج کی اسپیچ اچھی لگی تو پلیز اس کو لائک سبسکرائب